Hey, yeah, again, I'm back. Okay, so I'm gonna do another Octoly unboxing. This came around the same time as the kinship one, but this is from the Ordinary, and yes, it's another skincare box. Let me see, this is the packing slip. So this is their multi-peptide serum, I think. Let me see. Let me open this. Okay, so this came in a huge box, but it's also because they put two brands here. That's why. No wonder this box is huge. This is from Skin Fix. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Let me do a quick story time about this. So yeah, that's basically it for this box. Okay, whatever. So basically, before I applied the giveaway from Skin Fix, girl, I applied for Skin Fix Eczema Balm on Octoly, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna enter the giveaway because I really want this one, but I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna get accepted for this or not. And I ended up getting accepted for it, and I also ended up winning the giveaway, so now I have two. It's like, wow. I applied for both for just in case, and I actually am running out of this one that I've been using this past week because it's so tiny. So this is actually great for me. It's gonna work for me a lot, and wow, that's crazy. I got it 2 times and I run the same time. It's crazy. Anyway, so yeah, Octoly had a lot of Skin Fix opportunities there. They had like other stuff from them, but obviously I needed this one specifically, so I got this one. But yeah, so I'm probably gonna do a review, maybe, I don't know, we'll see. So I'm not gonna do this right now in this video. I'm gonna use this Ordinary skincare for this specific video, but I didn't know this came here. No wonder the box was big. Anyways, okay, whatever. So enough of that. The box came like this. It says this. I don't know what that means. What it is. Like, let me see. Does this have a name? No, it doesn't have a brand name, but it's obviously from the Ordinary, I think. Let me open it. Comes like this. Okay, yeah, it's just one product, and yes, it's from the Ordinary. So a lot of people on Instagram use this brand and says it's the best out there, X, Y, and Z. I'm like, you know what, they sold me on it, so I was like, I'm gonna try it. And there's like a lot of types of serums and stuff that I couldn't decide which one to pick on Octoly. They had like a lot, like Skin Fix, they had a lot of opportunities from this brand. I was like, I don't know which one to get, so I just got this one, the multi-peptide serum. So I don't freaking know. I'm kind of scared because there's certain ingredients that you can use with certain skincare products, so I hope I got the correct one because I'm not educated enough to know which one to buy and which to use. I'm not a dermatologist or whatever. So anyway, so I'm just gonna open it up and I'm gonna try it on right now as well. So I haven't put on a cleanser. I should have before using the serum. Oh, I'm just gonna use it like that today. So it's a clear bottle. It looks like a dropper, and it's kind of like glass, like frosted glass, and it kind of looks white, cloudy. Like, okay, it's alright. So what does it have? It has, let me see the ingredients. I hope it has like a lot. This is right there on the ingredients thing. It has a lot. But anyways, you're supposed to apply a few drops to the face in the morning and evening. So let's see if I remember as well, so I can do it before and after. And use after cleansing, which I didn't do because I forgot. But I showered, so water that landed on my face, it kind of counts. I'm just kidding. Oh yeah, and today I also took out acne patches from I Do Care. And didn't really notice a huge difference on my acne, but in some I did remove a little bit of gunk, but not in all. It was like nothing happened. It didn't work on all of the pimples, but they're all far gone. Like they're all just mainly red spots. Like it doesn't have like anything inside like sebum or dirt or green stuff or anything like that. So maybe that's why, but I don't freaking know. They're alright, so I recommend that. Y'all should try it out. So anyway, whatever. So wait, hold up, let me read this one. Okay, whatever. I'm just gonna use this Ordinary. Okay, so oops, it grabs a lot, and I just did one push. I guess I'm just gonna use that for my whole face. So let me see. It's kind of thick. It's not like a traditional serum. Alright. Wow. It smells pretty strong. I can't tell what it smells like. My skin is super dry, especially after a shower, obviously. So it feels a little cooling. It's a little bit moisturizing. I don't feel it super hydrating, but it kind of feels a little tacky now. It feels alright, but I just don't like the scent at all. I hope my skin doesn't react to it. I need a lot in my forehead. Oops, I think I put too much. I don't know if I like it. It's kind of weird. I don't know why people rave about this brand, but the scent is not all that, to be honest. It feels like traditional serum, kind of tacky. It doesn't feel super moisturizing, and this is pretty expensive. This brand, the Skin Fix one, like all these Instagram brands are expensive, but supposedly it works. I see before and after pictures, and it looks like it works on other people, but on me, I hope, because usually skincare doesn't work on me. I don't know why. I don't see a huge difference, but yeah, that's it. My scarring. Hope this makes my skin look better. But yeah, first impressions, like I said, it's alright. I don't like the scent. I don't notice anything hydrating about this. Maybe this is not meant to be hydrating. It's just to help you treat your skin issues. Maybe it doesn't really say what it's for. Maybe I have to read about it and put like right here in the video or in the description. I don't freaking know. But oh well, I'm just still gonna use this and see what happens. So oh, there's like a little book thingy. Oh, I think it talks about the serum, probably the ingredients. I don't know. Just the directions of how to use it, nothing special. Okay, so I guess wait, coffee. Okay, so I guess I'm just gonna end the video here. So yeah, bye, thanks for watching.